In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Facebook page to profile. Before we begin, it's important to clarify something so you don't waste time searching through settings that won't give you the result you want. Facebook does not allow you to directly convert an existing standalone Facebook page into a personal profile. So if you have a business page, creator page, or any separate page on Facebook, there isn't a built-in option that turns that page back into a normal personal account. What this usually means is that people are actually trying to change a personal profile that was set to professional mode back into a standard personal profile. If that's your situation, then the good news is that this is very easy to do, and that's what I'll walk you through now. Start by opening Facebook and going to your profile. Make sure you're on your personal profile, not on a separate page. This matters because the setting you need is only available from your own account profile. Once you're on your profile, look just below your name for the three dots. These dots open the profile management options, and depending on your device or app version, this area may be labeled something like Manage Profile or Edit Profile. Tap the three dots to continue. After that, look for the option that says Turn off Professional Mode. If you see it, tap it. Facebook may show you a short explanation of what will change when professional mode is disabled. For example, some professional tools, insights, or monetization features is connected to that mode may no longer be available. If your goal is to return to a regular personal profile, that's expected. To finish, confirm by tapping Turn Off. Once confirmed, your account will switch back from professional mode to a standard personal profile. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account and viewing your actual personal profile. It can also help to update the Facebook app, since menu locations sometimes vary slightly between versions. So to recap, you cannot convert a standalone Facebook page into a personal profile, but if your personal account is in professional mode, you can reverse that by opening your profile, tapping the three dots, selecting Turn Off Professional Mode, and confirming the change. That's all you need to do. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be back to a regular Facebook profile in just a few moments.